In today's advanced Python tutorial, we are going to talk about Context Manager. Context Manager will allow you to do safe operations and close open files or acquire logs and in general streamline the whole operation of opening, closing and using files. First of all, let's say that we would like to open a text file, for example, the data.txt, and we would also like to read some lines from it. Now suppose that for some reason the value at position 0 cannot be turned into an integer. So this operation in data bracket 0 throws an error. Problem with that is that the file.close operation that you see here may not run and the file may not close. So in order to avoid this problem, what we usually do, or did at least till context managers entered the scene, was doing a try, except and finally. So the idea is that if for some reason we get a value error, we handle it here and then we close the file using the finally statement. The context managers, however, allow us to do that a lot more Pythonically and a lot simpler. What we do is write the keyword we do the operation we want, which is open a file, as f. So we name this file f. We then read lines from this file, do the operation that we want to do, and then the context manager will automatically call f.close of the file and also handle any error that may arise. So this way, with only 3 lines, you can do what you would have done with all these lines or with those 4 or 5 lines. So this is a very clean way, very safe way to handle your file. So again, the first statement is with. Then we have the context, which is, for example, opening a file as, and we give a name to this operation. Then we actually use the object that we opened with a context. After we do the operations inside this identity space, the context is cleaned up. And this is the reference from which I have took the examples. So you can also define an actual class as a context manager class. What you need to do is actually implement the enter and the exit methods. So the enter method is responsible for opening a file, and you can actually return this file. And the exit method is responsible to close the file. So here you can see exactly how open actually works. So with the example here, using this file class, you can read a data file as f and do the operation that you want to do. And also you can implement timers using this. And you can also implement timers using this operation, using the context manager. Again, you need an initializer that initializes the timing equals to 0. Then you have the enter that starts the counter. So you actually save the starting time. And then with the exit, you actually save the finish time and then calculate the time elapsed through the start and the finish. So the exit function will actually return false if you have no problems, and it will return true if you have some kind of problem. As you can see here, it takes arguments for the exceptions, the exception value, and some traceback object. So if we call Fibonacci here and we do that for 1000, and we do that a lot of times, you could actually see the time elapsed through this whole operation, and it should take quite a lot of time. So let's try it. Okay, so it's still running. It's absolutely fascinating how much time this operation takes. So let's try only with 10 iterations because boom, and you can see here the time that elapsed. Let me give it another look with 1000. Boom. Okay, so it's pretty fast actually. Let's try 10,000. Okay, and then let's try 100,000. This should take approximately 8 seconds. Yeah, so this is the context managers, this very serious and important topic. I actually suggest using context managers mainly for files. It's safe, it's easy, it's Pythonic and clean.